Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Maggs. 25 years ago, I started what is today the Concerned Parents of Young Athletes program. And that's because at that time I recognized that there was a deficiency in the quality of care towards our middle and high school athletes. It was a population that was virtually ignored by our sports medicine industry. And you know that's true because the majority of sports medicine care that our kids get is under the guidelines of health insurance. And you know that that has to be limited and it can't be matching up with what the needs of these kids are. Secondly, we have a sports medicine industry that is reactive, and that means that the only time these kids are going to see a doctor or someone who has that vast knowledge of their body is after they're injured. And then the third consideration is that the doctors of today are not trained in musculoskeletal. They're trained in medicine and they're trained in according to the guidelines of the insurance industry. So there's so much more that can be done. We developed the structural fingerprint exam. We developed the Dr. Mag's Feet First system. So our program is all proactive and prevention, and we've got to get it out there across the country. So my goal is to develop a network of doctors nationally that are going to utilize the tests that we developed, use the experience that we've gained over the last 25 years. We've seen thousands of athletes that we have examined and treated, and we have changed so many lives, but the system needs to change, and we need a lot of help with that. So this is for coaches, parents, young athletes, heads of organizations. We need to work together to get the prevention and the proactive program out there for the middle and high school population. And the reason is this: our athletes today, our young athletes, are doing so much more than they did a generation or two ago. They're playing so much more. The seasons are full year. They're in the weight rooms early. The downside of that is that 20 to 30 years from now, it's going to be recognized when the cost of healthcare and the cost of musculoskeletal is going to be exponentially off the chart, not to mention the quality of life that will be impaired for those that we love so much. Concerned Parents of Young Athletes is the only program in the country looking to change that. We want your help and support, and we are so excited because we're going to make things happen.